Here's a 5,000-word prompt plan to help you learn and speak English very well. This comprehensive guide includes techniques, habits, and tools to improve your fluency, vocabulary, and confidence. 1. Set your goal and motivation. Start by answering, why do I want to learn English? Your purpose will guide your learning. For work, focus on business English and industry-specific vocabulary. For travel, learn conversational English and practical phrases. For studies, focus on academic English and formal communication. 2. Build a strong vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily and use them in sentences. Use flashcards or apps like Anki, Quizlet, or Duolingo to remember vocabulary. Study themed vocabulary, e.g., travel, shopping, work to practice words you'll use often. Regularly review and practice previously learned words to avoid forgetting. In local news, the city's new green initiative is off to a strong start. The program, which aims to reduce urban carbon emissions by 20% over the next 5 years, has already seen significant participation. Residents are encouraged to recycle more, use public transportation, and reduce energy consumption. City officials are optimistic that these efforts will make a real difference in improving air quality and sustainability. In other news, a groundbreaking study released today reveals that remote work is having a lasting impact on employee productivity and mental health. According to the research, workers who have the flexibility to work from home report higher job satisfaction and increased efficiency. However, the study also highlights challenges such as feelings of isolation and difficulties in maintaining work-life balance. Experts suggest that employers should consider hybrid work models to address these issues. And finally, on the international front, a major agreement was signed today at the Climate Summit in Paris. World leaders committed to new measures aimed at combating global warming, including increased investments in renewable energy and stricter emissions regulations. This landmark agreement is seen as a crucial step in the fight against climate change and has been widely welcomed by environmental advocates. That's all for now. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reports on News Channel. I'm your favorite host, and have a great day.